does not only take place inside the classroom, and application is needed. Uh, a lot of, or like monthly, or almost every month there's an activity, and teachers are tapped to spearhead and facilitate the activities. uh, there's conflict on the teaching days, what are expected for the children, and of course our responsibility as coaches or trainers of the students or selected students participating in activities. For example, yung learning. Can I speak Tagalog?
Sige.
Ah, yung pagtuturo mo everyday yan. Tapos, magpapapractice ka or training, halos everyday din yun. The time, there's conflict. Okay? There's conflict in terms of the time. And we are expected to give learning modules to the students. So there is always a difference when there is a live teacher there teaching the students and the module. And another thing, when LGUs or kung sino pa dyan nagpapakontest, they only give the guidelines 2 weeks prior or days prior the contest. So nagkakaroon doon ng stress, not only sa students but mainly on the teacher, because the teacher will always think of the concept, lahat. We are not given enough time. So maybe 3 weeks is enough, or even a month before, para yun nga, to reduce the mental stress. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mental breakdown. Sinusugod sa tayo ni Jar. Cut mo to dyan. Ay, naman!
So as a student, I can suggest open forum for the students para malaman natin yung kalagayan ng mental health nila. So as a SK official, ganun yung ginagawa namin. May tinatawag kaming HYO heads, like every kabataan is ina-assess namin through private conversations. May mga steps kasi kami na sinusunod, like kung ano yung status nila about family, friends, tapos kung may mga nabubuli or whatsoever. So yun yung may sasuggest.